So like all my tomato, any type of tomato I planted died, the seedlings. So I ended up just putting some seeds in, and I'm so happy to see this little one come out of I don't know how many seeds that I planted. Like my Romas died. They died first, sadly. Love a good Roma tomato. The ox hearts died. The yellow pears died. So I might just have to go pick up some plants. Carrots are doing great. Coming through. Can't wait. We planted some rainbow carrots, some garlic. This is some type of pepper, Cubanelle. Don't know what that tastes like, but excited to find out. The green bean seedlings survived. And look at here, green bean. We had a spaghetti squash seedling too. That didn't survive, so I planted the seeds, and that was a better choice. Bell pepper seedlings died as well. I just didn't do a good job with the seedlings, so I think next year we're just gonna sow directly, because the seedlings clearly aren't for me. They were doing great. That is either a beet or a bell pepper coming up. But like, there's some little things coming up. I think that's a turnip right there. Hello, little turnip. This just sucks because I just feel like I'm getting started late when I thought I was ahead of the game with my seedlings, and they just came out here and didn't overcome the shock of coming out here. I planted okra right here. Sunflowers, like 3 rows of sunflowers right here. The jack-o'-lanterns are trying to hang on. Those started inside too. Pretty young. I think that's what it was. I was trying to rush the process, but I just couldn't wait. White pumpkin, so excited that that's doing okay out here. I also planted seeds in between, so we're gonna have a whole pumpkin patch. Watermelon seeds, yellow watermelon, another type of yellow watermelon, sugar baby watermelon, and I don't know when the video cut off, but sugar baby watermelon. And then I planted cantaloupe right here, so we can go up the trellis. Let's get a full look of the bed. I'm so proud of this. Me and my dad, my mom helped initially, but me and my dad finished it for Mother's Day. It was my present for myself and my mom. Anyways, cucumbers in this old garden bed are coming up. So exciting. Y'all just getting the whole tour today. Another type of cucumber. I think it's a pickling cucumber. I try to plant it as close to the trellis as possible. I don't know if there's another one coming up, but that one will do the trick for us. This cabbage is bolting. It's the last one. Every single one of them pretty much bolted. Just sad. Kohlrabi over there. Brussels sprouts got out of control. They flowered, but my mom cut those flowers off so the kohlrabi can grow. Onions are blooming. There's Hyro. Or they're bolting, not blooming. But I guess also blooming because that's an onion flower. Whatever. Anyways, leeks right here. We harvested some last night, and then I replanted the ones that were small. It was like one main big one, and then we just took apart the leeks and the roots and replanted those, see if they're gonna get bigger. It's an experiment for sure. And the bees are doing well, I would say. Let's get a little closer. Okay, Hyro, step back. They're doing their thing. Going in and out.
I didn't.
I think I seen the queen the other day. We're gonna have to make some more videos.
But I see it.
You don't see the queen.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
But
She's
I
in there
do.
laying babies. There's the boy riding off in the sunset. Beautiful picture, isn't it? This bee is just chilling here. Are you getting anything out of this, or are you about to die soon? Because you're being really still. Can they even get anything out of this dry flower? Beekeepers, let me know. I think that this tree will produce fruit. If not this year, then next year. It's a kumquat tree. And this is the most that it's flowered, but everybody else with kumquat trees has gotten their fruit already. So I feel like it's a little late for this too. So when me and my mom made wreaths, we used cotton flowers, and they of course have went to seed. I should probably get like all the cotton off of it, but it's hard. It's not easy, so I'm just gonna poke it on in here and hope for the best.